Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a planner sticker haul as well as a journaling haul. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I finally got my planner for memory keeping, and this is from TSKP Studios, the sticker kit planner. So these were sent along with this. Just some scripts here, some happy birthday. I'm definitely gonna use that. And I got the cover just in marble, and I'll probably decorate it myself. And the rings are white, and they're super wide, like they're really big, so it gives you a lot of room to put a bunch of stickers in here and let it get chunky. So and then this is where you put all your cute little stickers. That I really like this. I'm so ready and excited to use it. So let me put this away. So those two came together. The next thing that I have is from NicoleAlexiadesigns. And so this is the card she sent, and she gave me a little coupon here to use for my next order. So this is Flourish 003, and I got it in rose gold. I got it in gold as well. The next one is a divider, 009. I got it in rose gold and gold as well. This is 008 divider, and I got that one in gold. It is so cute. A double divider. And these are some date numbers. I got them in gold, and I also got them in rose gold. And then I saw these cute little laundry stickers here. Just have a little shirt hanging on the clothing line, and it's in gold, and then I got one in rose gold. So you'll probably see these in my memory planning spread soon. So the next shop is an Etsy shop. The shop is Luxkittydesigns, and she also gave me a coupon for my next order with her. Thank you so much for that. So I got this script here. It just says vitamin, and I got that in rose gold because I need to start tracking, like, when I'm taking my my vitamins and just my regular medicine as well, so that I can hopefully get some good news from the doctor about my legs. So hopefully this will keep me on track. And I've seen these cute little boxes here with the bow. Love those. And I also got some scales, so I can start weighing myself every Monday, do a weigh-in, because I did buy a gym membership, so I've been going pretty regularly now, and I want to start tracking everything. And those are in rose gold. And I got these as well in rose gold. Some boxes here. Okay, this one is from Jkcreatesco, and I love that little rose gold thank you there. So I got a sticker kit, a weekly sticker kit from her shop. I've been seeing this one on her, I seen this one on her Instagram, and I fell in love with it. It is so gorgeous. I'm gonna use this for when I come back from our vacation. This is the pink sunset. So you have your full boxes on here, super cute, like a beach theme. And it's called Pink Sunset. The foiling looks so good on here. I'm gonna be new to memory planning, but I really love cute pink mauve things, so this is so cute to me. And then we have some layering pieces, and let me see, some deco and icons, flags, so gorgeous. And then look at the foiling on it, and it's silver. And then we have our washi. I am a fan of washi. If you haven't watched the other video, I have like about 86 washis that I swatched for you guys. So yeah, we have some layering pieces, some flags, some washi, and it is split here in case you want to put it in the sidebar. So very nice. And then we have some half boxes, quarter boxes. We have the square boxes. Super cute. And I love how it's like whited out here so that you can write on it, and but you can still see the decor, the decorations in the back of it. That's so cute. And then you have your trackers. You can list things. And let me see what this is. How is it cut? So it looks like dividers. Or maybe could it be headers? I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm new to this, but this is a super cute kit. And I like how it has the black in it as well. This here is black with the silver around it. And then you just have a list of things here: work to do, meals, clean this week, workout next week, spending, happy meal, and important. And you have your days of the week here, and it's with the paintbrush stroke in pink. And I really love a good paintbrush stroke. I've tried to create the paintbrush stroke with my HP, and maybe it's just me, but I could not get it down pat. So I have to keep trying, because I really like that paint swatch look. But this is a super cute kit. I definitely have to go back to her website to pick up some more. So that is that one. The next thing that I got from her shop is some hearts. Let me see. Yes. So I got the hearts from her shop. I got lace trim #1 in rose gold. I also got it in silver, and I got it in gold because they were so beautiful. And the foiling, it looks great. There's no spots on it or anything else going on there. And then I got the #5 half mandala, and it has the little hearts on them. Love it. And then I got half mandala #1 in rose gold. I also got it in silver, and I got it in gold, of course. So I got the squiggly samplers. I got it in rose gold. I also got it in silver and gold. So I grabbed some UV lamps just to track for my nails. A coffee maker. I love that they're all in pink. I got a TV stand, or a TV with the stand, and then a fridge and a butterfly birthday cake. So cute. And I also got an all orders freebie. It has the lace trims, hearts, and 2 half mandalas on there, and a bouquet of flowers. And then I got Shantae's freebie. It has a gold half mandala and 2 bouquets of flower, 2 hearts, work and cleaning day. So I got an oops bag as well from Jkcreatesco. I got some more of the half mandalas, the number 5 in rose gold. I didn't choose these. This is just what came in the oops bag. I really don't see the oops, so I didn't see the oops in this one, so love that. And then I got the half mandala number 2. If you see the oops, let me know, but I don't see the oops. And then we have leaf dividers, 2 different types of leaf dividers, and another half mandala number 7, and then number 1 and number 4. And these are all on clear. These are on clear paper, so I'll get a lot of use out of these. All right, and the last thing from the stickers is from NicoleAlexiadesigns. I missed this one. So let's see, I got some little scripts here. And then I also got this freebie because I didn't order it, and I was gonna look her up, but I don't think her Instagram is on here, so maybe I'll look through Nicole's Instagram and see if I can find her. But it has heart, bow, a little flower here, and some lace trim, and a half mandala. Moving on to journaling. These are the first 3, and the name of this one is Midnight Letter. Let's see what all came in this one. So this one is branches and flowers. I have to be careful with this one because it has a pressed flower in it. Forever Daytime. So the next shop is like a bulk shop. It comes in packages like this. So I have 1, 2, 3, I have 6. So I have 6 of these. I will go through them. I'm not gonna talk, I'll just place the items down so you can see what's in them. They don't have any particular name, but I'll link the store, the Amazon link below. So I do have a couple of more stickers coming in the mail. If you guys want me to show you those as well, just let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you want to see my plan with me's, they will be up shortly, so make sure you follow me on Instagram at the crafty one so that you know when I'm gonna start posting. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I do want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.